Welcome to Sandy Flett's Kids Art School.
Hi everybody, I'm Sandy Flett. I'm a children's book illustrator and I am going to teach you how to draw. I am the illustrator of two series, one called Juno Jones by Kate Gordon, published by Yellow Brick Books, and another series out this year from Penguin Random House called Edie's Experiments by the very talented Charlotte Barkla, Get Out of My Face Chicken. Her name is not Get Out of My Face Chicken, it is Charlotte Barkla. Okay, so we are going to draw a chicken today. And what does a chicken look like? It has a very small head. It has two wings. It has a little tiny beak and little tiny eyes. And it has this thing on top of the head, which I think is called a comb, even though it doesn't look like a comb. But anyway, begin. So let's draw a line down. We're starting with the head and another little line down like that. Parallel is what that's called, parallel lines. And let's start the belly from there. We go down and around, keep going down and around. Doesn't matter if it's a bit wobbly, doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And let's go up, and that's the beginning of the tail. Yes, it's the chicken's little tail. And we go down to a point and then back up like a zigzag and straight back down again. And now let's join the head with the tail. Drew two little dots and join them together in a little curve or a straightish sort of line. Doesn't matter. Now we're going to draw what will we draw next? I think we might draw the eyes. So two little circles like that. Keep them sort of about halfway down the head. And you can put the dots wherever you like. Like that. Mine's a bit like he's staring at you. Staring. Ooh. And then we might draw the beak. So a little line diagonally across and then back in again and a little zigzag again out and then straight back up again. There we go. Cute little beak on the chicken with his little mouth. Now let's draw the first wing on the left. So draw two dots there like I've shown you. And we'll start with the first one and go across and stop and across and stop and back out again. That's it. And stop and across and stop. Now remember, you can always pause the video if you need to at any point. Now let's draw the other wing, which will be up there. There we go. Another dot in the middle there and another dot under the tail. And we're going to start at the top dot and go out towards the middle, towards the other wing and back in, little curvy zigzags again. And down, there we go, like that. And back in again and down just a tiny bit. That's it, and stop. And we're going to join up to that dot up there. Well done, we're looking like a chicken or a chook is what we call them in Australia. There we go. Let's draw the line across the top of the head. It's got a bit of a square head, this chicken. A bit of a square, a little bit conservative. And then we go line up for the comb and we're going to do a zigzag and down and up and down and up. It's sort of like a crown. And up and down. There we go. Lovely. Looking very, very chicken-like. Now, I'll just move him back a bit so you can see the legs. So just two little dots. Now, to make it easy, you can do them like just lines like that. Yeah. And then we do 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to make it a bit fatter, you can do little tiny skinny lines next to it. And there we go. There we go. We're nearly done. That's it. You've got your chicken. You can draw some little feathers there. There we go. Yep. Now I'm going to colour mine in. There we go. I'm going to do a bit of an orange bit on the comb. And then what colour will I do the wings? There we go. Brown. That's how I do it on my app, which is called Procreate. You could do that with your pencils, or you might be doing it also on some sort of tablet, which would be very clever. There we go. Little feathers, little brown feathers. And what colour will I do the beak? There we go. I'm going to do mine red. So there we have it. Oh, the legs. Let's colour in the legs. Oh, sorry, not the legs. We're going to do the eggs. Yes, the chicken needs to have eggs. Yes, it wants to have some little babies. And now for some crazy chicken drawing ideas. Here is one type of chicken that you may not have heard of, which is the lavender yellow spotted chicken with blue wings and green comb. Yes, and it's a little bit worried because it's laying triangular eggs, which would probably hurt, I would imagine. The other idea you could have is have a look at my How to Draw a Fox video, and then you could add the fox with the chicken. Although that might mean that the fox might want to eat the chicken. Oh, sorry, little chickie. Yes, he's a little bit worried. You could also draw your own little tiny baby chooks and put it with chooks, baby chooks. What are they called? Chicklets? Chickens? Something like that. Anyway, busting out of an egg and with its mummy. And you could draw a whole lot of them and put them with its mummy because the mummy loves her little chicken so much. Yeah, and did you know that they hide them under their wings? It's so nice. Okay, it's time for Kids Art School Gallery. Yes it is. Yes, here it comes. We have a fantastic drawing sent in by Sam. Sam is 7 and he has drawn the panda and the donut, and he has put them together and coloured them in, and I think they are fantastic. Now remember that you are unique and special, and God loves you so much, just like the mother chook loves her chickens. Yes, she does. And just remember, if you love this video, please press like and share and add a comment and subscribe to the channel. And keep drawing those chickens. Remember, you are loved. Yes, you are. If you have anything you would like me to draw, send your drawing and any drawing requests to Sandy Flett's Kids Art School, which is on Facebook, or you can message me through this video. That's what it is. So bye, see you later, keep drawing. I am so loving all your pictures you're sending to me. See you later, guys. Bye. Bye, see you, hooray, bye. Oh, phew, I'm glad that's over.